As the car wash industry rapidly shifts toward intelligence and efficiency, a machine that combines stability, durability, and superior cleaning performance becomes the key to reducing costs, boosting productivity for car wash businesses. The LEISUWASH X-SMART Intelligent High-Pressure Touchless Car Washer, an innovative, tailor-made solution from LEISU, is the cost-effective choice among lightweight touchless car wash systems. LEISUWASH X-SMART, cost-effective and hardcore performance. The product integrates cutting-edge intelligent technology with Seiko manufacturing process, precise and intelligent control system, and integrated core architecture. It has the advantages of efficient cleaning, stable operation, and long-term durability, fully adaptable to various commercial car wash scenarios. Create efficient and economical intelligent cleaning solutions for the car wash industry. The whole body of the fuselage is made of 300 for stainless steel Seiko. The material has excellent corrosion resistance and is not afraid of cleaning agents and acid and alkali erosion, would withstand long-term complex working conditions and daily wear and tear. The overall structure is sturdy and stable, with the blessing of precision craftsmanship, effectively improve the overall strength and operating stability of the equipment, significantly prolong the service life of the whole machine, and significantly reduce the later operation and maintenance costs. Simple and neat design, with both texture and durability, ensure stable and efficient operation of equipment, all weather, long-term durability, and worry-free. Core-mounted bus servo motion control system, relying on advanced bus drive technology, realize accurate coordination of multi-axis movement of equipment, all-round control of the robot arms running track, running speed, and cleaning angle. The system is responsive and runs smoothly. Smart matching of body contours, precisely control the cleaning distance, without dead ends covering all parts of the body. Compared to traditional control methods, servo drive has lower running noise and smoother action connection. Effectively improve car wash efficiency, reduce consumption of consumables for stable and efficient operation throughout the process, significantly improve the efficiency and cleaning accuracy of car washing operations. The equipment is equipped with a 3-in-1 integrated main control system, deep integration of frequency conversion control, power regulation, and intelligent deployment functions, integrate drug proportioning, high-pressure pumping station, and master control scheduling. Relying on integrated patented technology, the equipment can be soft-started and run smoothly. Effective buffer of mechanical operating load, reduce high-pressure pipeline, transmission parts, and motor losses, reduce the probability of equipment failure. Integrated design simplifies internal structure, reduce the difficulty of operation and maintenance, and optimize energy consumption synchronously with frequency conversion energy-saving design, balancing operation stability, energy saving, and operation and maintenance convenience, reduce costs and increase efficiency for long-term commercial operations. LEISUWASH X-SMART set of durable materials, intelligent drive, integrated with core technologies, with hardcore hardware configuration and intelligent core technology, achieve multiple advantages of efficient cleaning, stable operation, and long-term durability, taking into account performance, quality, and cost performance. It is a small and medium-sized car wash store. Ideal intelligent car wash equipment for convenient car wash sites. Help the industry upgrade intelligently.